Hey guys, today I'm making my milk. Okay, these are simple steps. Step 1, cut off the milk and get a cup. Then, step 2, cut it, like I said earlier. Step 3, pour the milk inside. Once it's all inside, I put it in the trash. Step 4, I take my milk, I fill my milk into this jug of water. Make sure I put a hat so I don't drink too much milk because I got nutrients. Step 5. Mix it up well. Oh yes.
Ano ulam niya?
Adobo.
Adobong she. Ay, patiklopin yan. Ang dami ng ihi, oh.
I will taste it before I serve it. Okay, bye guys. So this is the end of the steps how to make your milk.